Welcome to Outdoor Videos. With this video, I'm gonna make more and more videos again. I hope you will like and share. The more people will like and follow, the more content I can make. This is in the beautiful Torrevieja in Spain, Spain. It's very beautiful here. I can see when the sun goes under. In the future I'm gonna buy a more professional camera. Now I'm filming with my smartphone. It's almost 3 years old. Here I visit another beach. There are many beaches here. This is a nice view in the evening. I also had a live stream on this day. It was very hot. Again, the sun is going under. I like it. A lot of people are already going home because it's pretty late here. I think 8 or 9 in the evening. Look, people, do you think it's rain? I think this is raining. You see? After 2 months, it's the first time raining.